Alright, so we got this picture here and we got these annoying, these are actually the lights in the parking lot. So we're going to get rid of them. So we come over here in Lightroom and we pick the remove tool, and then you can pick the what size you want. Well, here we're just going to go click on it, and it's going to take it to another spot where there's no light, another spot where there's no light, another spot where there's no light. And that's all good. Let's do this one over here since we're here. And there you go. It is fixed. Let's go try to fix this part while we're here. Why not? We'll just go like this. Perfect. At least it's not as annoying as alt can be. We can actually do better than this. Let's see if that clears it up a little bit. A little bit better. But we're going to end up cropping that out anyway. So, just wanted to do a quick video on how to get rid of lights.